Carrier pigeons. By Simple History. Carrier pigeons were some of the unsung heroes of World War I. It was their job to deliver messages to the front line. The military had wire communications. The enemy often cut the wires. The pigeons were their only way to get messages out. The pigeons they used were very fast. The pigeons knew to return to their original positions. Each unit in the military kept 1 or 2 birds on site. The birds had wires on their legs. A soldier's message was placed in a glass tube. The tube was then attached to a wire on a pigeon's leg. When the bird returned, another soldier got the message. Carrier pigeons did not have an easy job. Once they had messages and were in the air, they became targets. The opposing army shot at them. Other birds tried to attack them too. Hawks were natural enemies of the pigeons. They tried to bring the pigeons down. However, the pigeons successfully delivered 95 of the messages. These birds delivered messages even in bad weather. They even delivered when they were injured. They flew past bullets and traveled for hundreds of miles. The soldiers' successes depended on these messages from the carrier pigeons. The soldiers only used the pigeons for very important messages. Not only did they deliver messages, they also took pictures. The Germans strapped cameras on the pigeons. Carrier pigeons were also used by the United States. One pigeon even received a medal for his work during the war. Carrier pigeons were a very important part of World War I.
Great job.